Hello viewers, in this video I will show how you can copy your Instagram comment. So I will show step by step how you can copy your Instagram comment from your phone as well as from your iOS device. So for doing it, first of all you have to go to your Instagram profile, then find out the comment you want to copy, then you have to click on the three dots of that comment post, then copy the link. Then after copying the link, you have to out from the Instagram profile and go to any browser. So paste the link and browse. In this case you will select the desktop site option. After you will see this page will come, then from here you have to choose the comment you want to copy, then just press on the comment and select the comment area you want to copy, then you can copy the comment from the post. If this video help you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any question. Have a good day.